Hello and welcome to the Victorian Vault channel. In this video, you can listen and practice your English anytime and anywhere. I am so happy you're here again. It means you're serious about your English. It means you're showing up for yourself, and that's where everything begins. Today we're going to practice spoken English using one of the most powerful techniques, shadowing. If you're new to shadowing, here's a quick reminder. You will hear me speak a sentence slowly and clearly. Then I will pause so you can repeat it out loud, just like you're copying the flow of a native speaker. You're not just memorizing. You're training your voice, your rhythm, and your confidence. Shadowing may feel simple, but it's incredibly effective. Why? Because it creates real habits. It helps you think in English. It helps you speak without translating. It helps you sound natural. So many learners ask me, how can I speak English fluently? The answer is right here. Listen, repeat, practice out loud every single day. Even 5 minutes of shadowing can make a big difference. You don't need perfection. You just need progress. So, wherever you are, at home, in your room, walking, studying, make this time yours. Forget about stress, fear, or grammar rules for a moment. Just speak. Feel your voice grow stronger one sentence at a time. Are you ready to practice real English in a real way? Let's begin. So listen to each sentence carefully, then repeat after me. I usually wake up around 6:30. Sometimes I wake up later if I went to bed late. When I open my eyes, I take a deep breath and stretch. When I open my eyes, I take a deep breath and stretch. I stay in bed for a few seconds and think about my day. I stay in bed for a few seconds and think about my day. Then I sit up and go to the bathroom. Then I sit up and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth slowly and carefully. I brush my teeth slowly and carefully. I rinse my mouth and wash my face with cold water. I rinse my mouth and wash my face with cold water. Cold water helps me feel fresh and awake. Cold water helps me feel fresh and awake. Sometimes I take a warm shower in the morning. Sometimes I take a warm shower in the morning. If I feel tired, a quick shower gives me energy. If I feel tired, a quick shower gives me energy. After I shower, I dry off and change into clean clothes. After I shower, I dry off and change into clean clothes. I like to wear something simple and comfortable. I like to wear something simple and comfortable. I like to wear something simple and comfortable. If I have a meeting, I choose something more formal. If I have a meeting, I choose something more formal. Then I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. Can you send me the address? I'm looking for the train station. How do I get to the library? How do I get to the library? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Can you show me how to use this? Can you show me how to use this? I think this is a great idea. I think this is a great idea. In my opinion, it's better to wait. In my opinion, it's better to wait. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. Let's try it and see what happens. Let's try it and see what happens. I'm feeling really tired today. I'm feeling really tired today. This makes me so happy. This makes me so happy. I was a little nervous before. I was a little nervous before. Sometimes I feel stressed, but I try to relax. Sometimes I feel stressed, but I try to relax. I need to clean the kitchen. I need to clean the kitchen. Let's make a to-do list. Let's make a to-do list. I try to study English every day. I try to study English every day. I listen to podcasts in the morning. I listen to podcasts in the morning. Reading helps me learn new words. Reading helps me learn new words. I write short sentences in my notebook. I write short sentences in my notebook. Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. I usually wake up around 6:30. I usually wake up around 6:30. I stretch and sit up slowly. I stretch and sit up slowly. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I wash my face with cold water. I usually eat eggs and toast with some fruit. Sometimes I eat oatmeal with honey and banana. If I'm in a hurry, I just drink tea or coffee. Sometimes I watch a video while I eat. I enjoy the quiet and listen to the birds. Before leaving the house, I check my phone. I look at the time and read any new messages. I check my calendar to see my plan for the day. I pack my bag with my notebook and my water bottle. Then, I put on my shoes and go out the door. If I go to work or school, I take the bus or walk. I greet people politely when I arrive. I check my emails and reply to the urgent ones. Then I write a short to-do list. I focus on my most important task first. Sometimes I have meetings or classes online. In the afternoon, I return to my work or studies. Amazing work today. You showed up, you practiced, and you took one more step toward becoming a confident English speaker. Remember, fluency doesn't happen all at once. It happens slowly, quietly, sentence by sentence. The more you shadow, the more natural your speaking becomes. So, keep going. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect accent. Start with what you have and let it grow. Use this video daily. Shadow it again. Speak aloud. Feel the rhythm, the words, the clarity. You're not just learning English, you're becoming a speaker. I'm proud of you. Keep speaking, keep believing, and I'll see you in the next.